Disciplined entrepreneurship is solely for tech startups. False entrepreneurship, guided by the Disciplined Entrepreneurship framework, is applicable across various industries, not just technology. The success stories of businesses like Tom's Shoes and Warby Parker demonstrate this versatility. In 2006, Blake Mycoskie founded Tom's Shoes, a shoe company with a one-for-one model that has donated over 100 million pairs of shoes to children in need worldwide. Warby Parker, an eyewear brand, was established in 2010 and disrupted the industry by offering high-quality glasses at affordable prices while donating a pair for every purchase made. 1. Recognize that disciplined entrepreneurship is versatile across industries. 2. Embrace the framework's principles, regardless of your business's focus. 3. Seek inspiration from non-tech startups to tailor the methodology to your unique industry. Tom's Shoes and Warby Parker have shown that disciplined entrepreneurship can be successfully applied in industries outside technology. Disciplined entrepreneurship is not limited to tech startups. It can be effectively used across various industries. Ideas are the most important factor for startup success. Misleading. While ideas are crucial, they account for only a small percentage of startup success. Execution, team, and timing play equally significant roles in determining a venture's fate. According to research by Noam Wasserman, 75% of startups fail due to reasons related to the team, not the idea itself. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Incorporated, once said, "Ideas are worth nothing unless executed." 1. Focus on building a strong team with complementary skills and expertise. 2. Develop a solid execution plan for your business idea. 3. Consider the timing of entering the market to capitalize on trends and minimize competition. The success of Apple Incorporated, under the leadership of Steve Jobs, demonstrates that execution is just as important as ideas in startup success. While ideas are essential, they should not overshadow the importance of a strong team, effective execution, and timely market entry in achieving startup success. Entrepreneurs must have a unique idea to start a business. False entrepreneurship is not solely about creating something entirely new. It also involves improving existing solutions or adapting them for specific markets. This approach, known as disruptive innovation, has led to the success of numerous businesses. Uber, for instance, did not invent ride-sharing but disrupted the traditional taxi industry by offering a more convenient and affordable service. 1. Identify pain points in existing markets and explore ways to address them. 2. Look for opportunities to improve or adapt existing solutions for specific markets. 3. Embrace disruptive innovation as a viable entrepreneurial strategy. Uber disrupted the traditional taxi industry by offering a more convenient and affordable ride-sharing service, demonstrating that unique ideas are not always necessary for success. Entrepreneurship is about finding solutions to problems, whether they involve creating something new or improving existing offerings. Successful entrepreneurs are born, not made. False entrepreneurial skills can be learned and developed over time through experience, education, and mentorship. While some individuals may have a natural inclination towards entrepreneurship, it is not an innate ability that only a select few possess. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, dropped out of school at 16 and has since built a business empire worth billions. His story demonstrates that entrepreneurial success can be achieved despite lacking formal education or initial advantages. 1. Seek opportunities for hands-on experience in hook. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic and ever-evolving field, brimming with myths that can mislead aspiring founders. Understanding the truth behind these misconceptions is crucial for navigating the complex startup landscape successfully. Why it matters. Dispelling common misconceptions about entrepreneurship can help founders make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and increase their chances of success. By embracing a disciplined approach to entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs can overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and build thriving businesses. Table of Contents 1. Myth 1-2. Myth 2-3. Myth 3-4. Myth 4-5. 6. 7. 8. Mini Case Study 9. Common Misconceptions. Pitfalls in Disciplined Entrepreneurship 10. What changed in the last 7 days? What changed? 11. Actionable Playbook for Applying Disciplined Entrepreneurship 12. Recap. Key takeaways from debunking 7 startup myths. 13. FAQ. Answering common questions about disciplined entrepreneurship. 14. CTA. CTA venture capital is the primary source of funding for startups. False. While venture capital can be a valuable resource, it is not the primary source of funding for most startups. Bootstrapping, crowdfunding, and angel investors are often more accessible and suitable options for early-stage ventures. 1. Research alternative funding sources such as bootstrapping, crowdfunding, and angel investors. 2. Develop a compelling pitch to attract potential investors. 3. Consider partnering with mentors or advisors who can help navigate the funding landscape. https://www.kickstarter.com is a popular crowdfunding platform that has helped numerous startups secure funding without relying on venture capital. Venture capital is not the only source of funding for startups. Alternative financing options can be just as effective. A business plan is an unnecessary waste of time. Misleading. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your startup, helping you articulate your vision, strategy, and goals. While it may seem daunting, a business plan is essential for attracting investors, securing loans, and guiding your venture's growth. 1. Outline the key components of a business plan. Executive summary, company description, market analysis, organization and management, service or product line, marketing and sales strategy, financial projections, funding request. 2. Develop a concise yet comprehensive business plan.